Hey guys, it's me Shreya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an elephant wall decor. Before we start this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and help me reach to 90 subscribers. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So the materials you will need are a small printout of an elephant, a template. You can search on Google templates of elephant and you can find any simple elephant template and print it out. Then you will need wool or thread. Then you need scissors and sketch pens. Then you will need hot glue gun and a normal glue stick. Then you will need some color papers. And lastly, you will need a pencil and some origami butterflies. Yes, and if you don't know how to make, you can go check out my butterfly wall hanging decor video, and in that I've shown you guys how to make these cute butterflies. So watch that video if you want to know how to make these butterflies, and I still have them. So we're gonna start by cutting the elephant template with the help of scissors. We don't need these black things. We are going to cut out the elephant template. All done. Once you're done cutting the elephant, you need to trace the elephant's shape on the color papers you have. Choose any of your favorite color papers and you can trace this template into the paper with the help of a pencil or pen. One blue is done. Yellow done. Orange done. And I'm going to be also using white as one color. I'm going to take the same white also, so there's going to be total 4 colors including white. So here we have all the colors, 3 colors traced and 4th one here, white. And now it's time to cut it out. So let's cut it. There we go. We have all 4 colors ready and set to go. 4 elephants ready to go. So now the next step is you will need to take your string or the wool you have. I have a pink wool and you need to make a specific length that you want all your 4 elephants. It's not compulsory that you need 4 elephants. You can make it 5, 6, how much ever you want, but I want 4. So you need to measure the length how much you want with the help of the wool and then cut it out. So this is mine, how much I want it. So it will be this much. And yes, this much is how, and make sure there is enough gap in the between because we're going to stick the butterflies. And over here you need to make sure it's a little bigger because we are going to do something under here. So now it's time to cut till here, and there we go, we have cut. And now let's go to the next step. Okay guys, so the next part is not going to be so hard because we are going to be decorating our elephants. So to decorate it, I'm going to be taking the colors that we have. We have orange, blue, yellow and white. Well, not white, these 3 colors. I'm going to be taking their darker shades. Like orange, I have a bright or a darker orange here, and a darker blue, this one, or like this one, and darker yellow, I have this mustard yellow, and I'll just give them an outline. And for white, I think I'll give this light gray. So I'm going to be doing that, so it'll be more pretty and it'll make the elephants look prettier. So, and yes, by the way, while coloring, make sure you have some kind of a paper above it. So let's start coloring. Here I have my elephants in a paper cardboard, and here I have my colors that I'm going to be using to outline them. So I think we're going to start with orange. So guys, here we have outlined my elephant. As you guys can see that we have the eyes. I gave some details on it. We have an eyes and we have outlined the elephant pretty good. And now we're going to go to the next color. Okay guys, so we are done with the second elephant, and I really love this one cause look at the color. It looks like I applied brown, but this is mustard yellow. And we have an eye for the elephant. So far we have done 2 elephants. Now let's go to the next color. And here we have blue, and we have white also complete. So we have all the 4 colors complete, and we have done the detailing of the elephant, and now it's time to stick the elephant in the string. So we have all 4 elephants good to go, nicely detailed and colorful, and we are going to take the string that we cut and apply it. So now we have the string that we cut for the elephant. It's really big now. Thinking now it's really big. And we are also getting the hot glue gun ready. So we need to wait for some time. And yes, the reason why we are using hot glue gun is because if you're using a normal stick, glue stick, if you're using normal glue stick and sticking that in the string, after some times the paper will just come out because it's a glue paper stick. So it's better to use a hot glue gun so that it will stay longer, especially when you're using wool, like clothes, wool, string, those kinds of materials. So let's get back to the video. So here I've arranged them again in the way how I did, and we have our hot glue gun ready. And use the help of an adult, because when you accidentally stick it, your hand can get a little burn your hand. So be careful with that. So now it's time to stick them. Okay guys, a quick plan of change. I have kept these elephants the other side so that it will be easier for me to stick. It's because if I turn them and stick, then I have to first stick on this and then I have to apply. So I thought of changing it like this. So now it's ulta, and now I'm going to apply the hot glue gun like this, and I'll see you guys once it's done. Okay guys, so we have all of the hot glue stuck. We have stuck all of them. Now we're just going to let them all dry for some while. For these two, I have to actually stretch it like this and make it, that's why it's like thin, so it'll be really better. But for these two, I did not do that. So I'll now meet once they're all dry. And it's not compulsory that you only need to make one elephant wall decor. You can make so many of them, like so many strings, and you can cut out so many pieces of elephants and stick them. I just made one for like a better use. So guys, this is how it looks once it's dried, and I'm really happy with the results, and I'm already happy with how much we made till this much itself, and they are so good. I really love them so much. And now we're going to go to the last and final progress, which is to stick the butterflies. So guys, the reason why I want to stick butterflies is because this gap over here in the between looks so plain. That's why I thought of sticking butterflies. I'm not really going to stick one color, I'm going to stick 2 colors. So we are going to stick this with the normal glue, and if you we're going to stick this with the normal glue, and then we'll stick this with the hot glue gun. So let's start. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use super glue gun, or you can use a normal glue. So we have one butterfly stuck, and now we are going to put another purple. So guys, here we have our butterflies stuck into the elephants, and they are really looking pretty. So this is how they are looking. They look so pretty.